Hello, today I would like to show you this absolutely beautiful vintage rotary multi-tool. This is something that today we are calling a Dremel, and under that brand name we are fitting a lot of different devices, but this is some really vintage stuff that was used by people in Germany. I've got some sort of weird of affiliation for a build quality of those vintage stuff because everything was built to last. You can find that everything is made out of metal. Even the handle is so heavy that is clearly telling you it have amazing build quality. So here we've got a power transformer. This is how it presents, very heavy. Of course, inside we've got just a regular transformer, absolutely no switching power supply. The company is Albatros Electronics. Power supply 30 volt, 1.5 amp. What's pretty interesting, they've decided to use a standard audio RCA connector. Those are used for carrying audio and video signal, but they decided to use it as a power connector with a pretty high current, 1.5 amp. I'm not sure if it was designed for that application, but as you can see, everything just looks amazing and feel amazing. We've got a LED status and the master power switch. So that part concludes our power supply. Now we can take a look at the Dremel itself. That device is made out of metal. It is extremely heavy, and as you can see, here we've got the metal. It looks old school, but we've got an ability to regulate the speed. It is built like a tank, to be honest. That's what you're feeling. We've got two momentary switches, which are pretty interesting because the first one is giving us access to adjust the speed, and as you can see now it's rotating slowly, but as soon as I'm going to dial the speed it will go faster and faster. So we've got ability to have a variable speed, but you can have a slow speed on our first button. And the red one is a turbo that is going to give you a maximum speed. So we are clicking here, maximum speed. We go with the slow speed that we can adjust. Full speed, our variable. Absolutely very nice design. Here you've got ability to put a different attachment. You've got a standard regular type of lock. That part is going to be screw on and it's going to be catching our element. So you can go with something like this. You lock it in place and you can basically grind something down. The build quality is so good that I heavily asking myself, maybe that was like a medical prosthetic device for creating like a false teeth, and they are using devices like this to make sure they are clean and nice looking. So maybe it was not for hobby use, maybe that was professional use, because it looks like a prototype or a small series, but at the same time we've got a company name, as you can see. and it's looking pretty professional. So maybe that was like a small volume medical production. If you've got any details, you are welcome to post them in a comment section. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you find it interesting. See you next time, and bye bye.